What's the meaning of bank account? Bank account. Bank account.
Bank account. Bank account. A bank account is a financial product offered by banks and other financial institutions that allows individuals or businesses to deposit and withdraw money, earn interest, and access other banking services. In essence, it is a tool used for managing one's finances. Bank accounts come in different types, including savings accounts, checking accounts, money market accounts, and certificate of deposit (CD) accounts. They are typically insured by federal deposit insurance companies to protect account holders against losses resulting from bank failures or other financial crises. Bank accounts have become an essential part of modern-day financial management, offering convenience, security, and flexibility to users.